Hey everybody, I'm here today to do a review of this Carseat Canopy Stretch cover. This is the Liv stretch cover by Carseat Canopy, and in this video review I'll be going over the features and functions with you, as well as telling you about my own personal opinion. Now let's get right to it. First and foremost, I want to talk about the aesthetics, how it looks. Now, firstly, I love the pattern and the coloration of this stretch cover, simply because the white and black allows it to match anything, and also the pattern looks very good to the eyes of adults and babies. So that means that your baby's gonna like the way this looks, and also everybody around you, all of the adults around you, and you as a parent are gonna like the way that this looks. Now next I want to address how it feels. If you feel it, it feels so smooth, so amazing. And because it is a stretch cover, it has this super stretchiness to it, super stretchiness. That also allows it to fit a wide variety of car seats, simply because you can stretch it so it goes nice and small, nice and tight, and then you can also stretch it to be really, really large. Now, if you take a look, it's so easy to install. I literally just took this, I stretched it over the car seat, and it's literally that easy. It took me less than 30 seconds to install this. And what it does is it basically protects the baby from the wind. So if it is a windy day and you want to protect your baby or the baby from the wind, then you simply stretch this over the car seat, and the majority of the wind that blows back and forth will not be able to affect the baby and make the baby cold or anything like that. But if you take a look up here, there is a little opening right here. So you can see this opening, in my opinion, serves two distinctive purposes. Firstly, it allows air to enter into the car seat area, which allows for better circulation for the baby and so forth, because we want to make sure that you're getting fresh air in there and so forth. And secondly, it allows you to see the baby. So you can see the baby first and foremost just by looking in there, but if you want to really take an even larger look, an even better look, you simply pull it down, and as you can see, it's so stretchy. You pull it down, you can see the baby, and then you can let it go just like that. And like I said before, the baby is going to see this little pattern through the light from the inside, because the light's going to be, hitting it. So they're going to see this, and it's going to make them look, it's going to allow them to be completely interested in the pattern. And it's nice and soft, so when they touch it, it's going to feel nice for them too. And that's basically it. In this video review, I just wanted to go over the features and functions of this Carseat Canopy stretch cover. Once again, this is the Liv stretch cover by Carseat Canopy, and I just wanted to go over it with you in this video, as well as my own personal opinion on the product. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this stretch cover in the comments section down below. And above all, please be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.